Juice box party. Once upon a time in a world not so far away. Sarah Beth, we playin' ball? Today was a good day. Sarah and Hannah, Carson, Carver, fruit. I walked to the library. I love the HCPL. I love to type. I love my mommy. Dear Dad, Jax Jackson. Hi, my name is Abel. Hi from Gemma. Hello, Sadie Mae. Dear Colton Remy Tot. Hello, Caitlin. That typewriter is awesome.